everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Rheem tankless water heater code P1, water flow too low troubleshooting. Fix 1 is clean the water inlet filter. Turn off the water heater and close the water supply. Remove the cold water inlet filter. Rinse the filter under clean water to remove dirt and debris. Then reinstall the filter and turn the water supply back on. Check if the P1 code is gone. Second one is check the water valve. Make sure the cold water inlet valve is fully open. Make sure the hot water outlet valve is fully open. Then turn on a hot water faucet and check the water flow. See if the P1 code clears. Third one is reset the water heater. Turn off all hot water faucets and turn the heater off. Then wait about 30 seconds. Turn the heater back on and test it again. Fourth one is decrease the water heater. Turn off the power and water supply to the heater, then connect a tankless water heater flushing kit. Flush the unit with a descaling solution according to the kit instructions. Then rinse the heater with clean water. Reconnect everything and turn the heater back on. Thanks for watching.